making sense of talk sense in English. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting English phrase, talk sense. Understanding such phrases is vital as they are commonly used in everyday conversations, and they can be a bit confusing for English learners. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what talk sense means and how to use it. So, let's get started. The phrase, talk sense, is used to describe a situation where someone is speaking rationally and logically. It implies that the person is making valid points that are easy to understand and practical. We often use this phrase when we want to suggest that someone should speak sensibly or when acknowledging that what they are saying is reasonable. Talk sense is a phrase that has been in the English language for quite some time. While we won't go into the historical origins, it's interesting to note that this phrase anchors on the word sense, which means a sound and practical judgment. When someone talks sense, they are essentially applying this kind of judgment to their speech. To fully grasp the usage of talk sense, let's look at some examples. Finally, you're talking sense, said the mother when her son outlined his plan to save money for college. During the meeting, we had a lot of conflicting ideas, but Jenna managed to talk sense into everyone. If you think they're going to listen, go ahead and talk some sense into them. These examples show different scenarios where someone might be encouraged to talk sense or is being praised for doing so. You can use talk sense in formal and informal situations alike. It's perfect for moments when you are discussing plans, debating, or trying to persuade someone. Here are a few instances when using talk sense would be appropriate. In a debate to acknowledge a valid point. When giving advice to someone who may not be thinking clearly. Trying to calm down a heated argument with reasonable suggestions. Now, let's practice using talk sense. Try constructing sentences on your own or with a study partner. Discuss current events or make plans for a hypothetical project and focus on conveying your ideas in a sensible and logical manner. Remember, the key to mastering a language is to practice it in context. Great job today, everyone! We've covered what talk sense means, looked at its usage through examples, and even talked about practicing it in real-life situations. I hope this video helps you understand and use talk sense confidently in your English conversations. If you found this video useful, remember to use it next time you need to convince someone with good logic. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.